Started working on the white one again. Today we're gonna be changing the carpet. We're gonna put black carpet on both sides. We're gonna do like the 2011. We're gonna go with the two color combo in the seats and the carpet. So we're switching the black carpets, and then we're gonna have with seats that are gonna be black and beige the same way. So just giving you guys an update of what's going on with this convertible. Old Carito. Say hi, buddy. Alrighty, so I'll keep you guys updated in regards of what we're doing. Like I said, I'm going to try to also save these lights that look really nasty, but we're gonna sand it down and polish it, and hopefully they'll come out nice. I also got some black wheels, really nice rims, black wheels with newer tires we're gonna be putting on. So I have the wheels and tires there, and we'll be replacing them also. So we're gonna go with black rims, white car. I think it's gonna look really nice. That combo.